Hi guys, John, MNTFX, welcome. Just going to look at the chart very briefly. And this is the Australia dollar CAD 4-hour time frame. Chose it at random. It's the first one on my list. And we're going to look at the signal I get from strike force, which is this, followed by a trading range. So this is the beginning of the month. This was the first one this year, back on the 23rd of January. So I'm taking this, and I'm taking the trading range, and I'm then looking to the left, and I'm looking at support or resistance, or both. And there's my support and resistance line. So I'm going to come across from there. I'm going to take up to the close, which is the open price that I give you guys for your trade, and that's telling me at the moment 80 pips. Right. So if I send you, I will then send you the open price, which was the close of this candle. I'll send you a target of 50 pips. And you can see that that trade worked out very nicely, and you hit your 50 pips profit. Okay. Next one. Bullish signal, bullish candle. Could be bearish. Doesn't have to be bullish. And the trading range. Okay. So again, we've got a nice trading range. It'd be nice to go up to the maximum, but I like to look to the left. And I'm looking here and I'm seeing support and resistance. So that's my trading range. So if I take it from that zone there back to the close, 57 pips. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to send you a target of 50 pips from the close up to 50. Did it hit 50? Yes, it did. There. Yeah, or even there. Yeah, one of it. It hit there and it hit there as well, just to be on the safe side. Okay, next one. Bullish. Long trading range. Do we want to take it up to the maximum? Well, again, we look to the left. There's our support. There's our support and resistance. There's our support and resistance. Okay. That gives us 60 pips. We're not going to do 60, are we? Or 63 even. We're not going to do 60, 63, whichever. We're going to do 50. So, I do up to 50. I'll send you a target of 50. Does it hit? Yes, it does. Yeah. Sometimes it's just uncanny, isn't it? There you go. I'll just move to the side there so you can see that hit there. Okay. It wasn't far out, but it was there. We hit it. Okay. Another 50 pip trade. I might have even done that at 40 pips just to be on the safe side, but I probably would have done that 50 to be honest. Okay. Next one. Bearish. Bullish candle. As I said, doesn't matter. Bullish or bearish. And down. Always take it from the close. Okay. So, what am I going to do? Look to the left. Support and resistance. There you go. Yeah. And nearly at the maximum anyway. Take our trading range up to the close. And 90 odd pips there. Wow. Okay, so. Am I going to do 90? Am I going to do 100? Am I going to push it? Am I going to be greedy? No, I'm going to do 50. Okay. So, take it from the close. Down to 50. And there we go. Okay, and see what happened. That was our open price. Oh, sorry, that was our open price. That was our open price. And we easily hit 50 pips. Okay, there there, yeah. Next one, bullish trading range. Okay. Look to the left, support and resistance. Support and resistance. About there. Oops, sorry. Let's just try that again. So we've got support and resistance. About there, I think. Yeah, somewhere around there. Okay. So take it back to the close, 70 odd pips. Okay, so we're going to go up 50 pips anyway. From the close, 50 pips up, and that's another 50 pip trade. There you go, just there. Yeah, 50 pips. No problem. Alright, thank you very much. Alright. Okay, and you see that's the pattern. That's how it goes all the way along. Sometimes even the maximum, the trade will hit the maximum. Okay, and we can go all the way along, and you'll see that. Yeah, you'll see how that works every time. Look at the max. Look at the maximum. Look how far it comes up. Went down. Yeah, it went down. But it went up again. Just in case you're still open on that trade. So give your stop loss some breathing space. Right. Look to the left. Look to the left there. That's where we would have done it. Support and resistance. Okay. Just by doing that, it guarantees us a 50. Well, 30. Maybe I would have done that as a 30 pip trade. But even if we'd done 50, we're still there. There you go. It would have been close. Not taking up there. Bit of support resistance there. In that zone there. Could have done a 50 there. Might have got away with that. Yeah. Might have said that. Here we go. There's a big one. Right. What's that one? Let's have a look at that. So, bullish signal. Bullish candle. We look to our left. And we got, there's our support and resistance up here. Might have done that. Nah. Right up to the top there. That's always nice when you've got a couple of candles there. That shows a good line. Yeah. Don't forget to go back as well. Take a look. But there. Try and get up the trading range as much as possible. All the way down to close. And what's that? 76. So again, I would have done 50 pips. 50 pips up. About there. Hit it easily. No problem. Okay, and that's what I do. That's, you know, I get strike falls, I get use a bit of human sassy, if you like, is the word. It works nicely. Okay, I'm just going to go all the way along now to some current trades. There's the last of it. Okay, so the last two, bullish candle, trading range. Right, where do we go with this? Look to the left, where's our support and resistance? Well, yeah, we could say about there. There's good support and resistance just there, isn't it? Really? Should we use that? Somewhere along those lines. Everybody's different what they use. We could have gone up to the top here. Whichever. So, what's that one? Well, there's 50 pips. Yeah, if we're going to use up to there. Let's go back a bit. Yeah, maybe we wouldn't have got so much out of that. Maybe I would have just done 30 pips on that one, but it would have gone up nicely. It did go up nicely. Let's try, and the last one, just this last one here. Okay, look to the left. There's support and resistance there. There's a nice line. So coming down to there, and again, that's another 50 pips. Another 50 pips. Yes, it fell further, but we got 50 pips. It's about, you know, as it's not about being greedy. Just look for that support and resistance. Just pick them off. Just pick these trades off. Okay, so didn't mean to go on so long, but hopefully that gives you a clear idea of what Strike Force is about and how effective and powerful it is. Okay. Thank you for watching. Watch the rest of the presentation, please.